Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about the Winter Frost season event in Heartopia that will leave in 6 days. Okay, I'm going to open up the Winter Frost season event and it's already week 6. And as you can see here guys, that this event will leave after 6 days. And then guys, I would like to recommend you to blend all of the crops and the flowers from this event. The crop from this event is the radish. So if you have radish seed in your backpack, I recommend you to immediately plant it. And also for the flowers, the flower from this event is Highland Poppy flower. This one, okay. And if you have these flowers guys, just immediately plant it, because if the winter frost season has been left Heartopia, you won't be able to plant them. So now before the event leave Heartopia, go to your garden and start to plant the flowers and also the crops from this event. Okay, I've already planted my radish. And don't forget to complete the quest, weekly quest or weekly challenge. And this is the quest or challenge for week 6. And don't forget to claim the reward. Okay guys, and that's all about the Winter Frost season event in Heartopia. Hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!